These are the results for the latest couple of days, which uses a system that combines 60-second videos with AI technology. I started my business in 2018 and I didn't have, a clue of how to actually get results online. Eventually, I managed to get results. And the system that I use is actually pretty simple. And I'll be explaining how you can get the same exact results. Plus, I'm also going to be showing you how you can automate the entire process and leverage my work. And this might sound simple, but it's actually what I do every day on a daily basis. It's essentially rinse and repeat. So what I do, I go to TikTok and I find videos in my niche, which is the make money online niche. I search for that. And then I pick a video that has tons of views. When I'm saying tons of views, I'm referring to 1 million views, close to 1 million views or more. So let's say this video here, or maybe this video here, or maybe this or this one. So what I do, I open up this video, I copy the URL, I go to this site, I paste the link here, I download this to my computer, I extract the subtitles with a software such as Descript, which you can find for free online. Once I have the transcription of this text, I copy this, then I go to ChatGPT and I type, rewrite this for a TikTok video, and I paste that script, and then I let ChatGPT create a new version of this script. And then I head over to Google Documents and I paste that script over there. And then I have a script I can use and I can read from this in my own words, of course, and create a new video. And by the way, this video was entirely edited with AI. Now, if you create long form content like I do, you can extract portions of those videos that you create and then use that on social media and on different platforms such as, for example, TikTok, Instagram, and of course, YouTube Shorts. Then, of course, you need a product to promote, and you can find those products on different places such as ClickBank, Munchai, and so on. I personally use my own product, but if you see here on the screen, I add those links to my profile in Instagram. Of course, on TikTok, you're going to need 1,000 followers to be able to place your link in your profile. But there are a couple of ways to actually generate results. One of those ways is to, when you're creating your videos, first ask people to follow you so you can reach those 1,000 followers. And then you can also ask them to comment something in the comment section. Now, the other option, if you don't want to do this yourself, and software like the one I just mentioned, you can go to Fiverr and type Repurpose TikTok or YouTube Shorts videos, and you're going to find people here that can repurpose content. So let's say you create one piece of content like a long form video. You can go here or use the software, which is the one that I showed you earlier, and you can repurpose that, and then you can share that to different social media platforms. Now, since I have my own training program, I share all the secrets with my students, included how to use different special free techniques to let AI automate your video editing, okay, and use different methods to generate high ticket commissions, because it's fine if you want to use different products out there, you can do that. However, if you have been trying to get results and you're not getting results, in some cases, you might need a little bit of extra help. And that is what I do every week within my Facebook group, within my training course, my program, which is called the 7-Figure Cheat Code. And I help people generate results. I do weekly live calls on that. But essentially, what I've covered in this video, where you find the video on TikTok and then you extract the subtitles and then you repurpose that with ChatGPT, is entirely viable and something that you can do right now if you want to. And this exact same process is the exact same process that I do to generate multiple $1,000 paydays, like what you're seeing here on the screen. Now, as I mentioned, I started in 2018 and I was struggling with a lot of problems. One of those were exhaustion disorder, depression, and a lot of different stuff that made it really complicated for me to do a 9-to-5. So I went to the internet and I needed to find a way. And I actually found a way until I decided to do something different for a couple of months ago, when I decided to start training other people on what I do to generate results like what you're seeing here, right? And this is my entire knowledge, okay, since I started in 2018, and this is constantly growing. So you see, people think that it's harder than it actually is. But once you understand the exact process of how to get results, you're going to see that it's much easier. Now, the basic thing is generate traffic with different social media platforms. If you don't want to show your face like I'm doing, I show you exactly how to do that within my training course. And I have automation tools that allows you to don't even have to record those videos. If you want to start there to get your feet wet, and then you can take it to the next step. And I show you live within the weekly calls exactly how I do it. But the process is actually very simple. So you grab content, you model those videos, you make your own version, and then you re-upload that to different social media platforms. You can do it yourself, or you can outsource it to someone on Fiverr. And that's basically it. And then you place that link in your profile. That's the entire process. If you can be consistent with that and repeat that process, it's basically what I do. So I'm sharing not things that I don't do myself. This is exactly what I do every day, and it's based on my own experience. So you can check below in the description of this video if you want to know more about what I'm doing. There's free training, and one of the latest additions to my course is exactly a new source of AI editing, which I think not many people have discovered yet, and it makes it dead simple. So that being said, check the details below, and I guess I'll talk to you soon.